and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold down and disassemble the Allen Sports 2-in-1 Child Trailer and Stroller Deluxe. Before I get started, I just want to remind you, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button. I upload videos 3 times a week. Now let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the front wheel, and you're going to do that by removing the latching pin, sliding it out, and then just popping it right off. Next, you're going to want to turn the stroller on its side to get the rear wheels off. And to remove the rear wheels, you're going to unhook the latching pin just like you did on the front, and then once you've got that off, slide it out, and then the wheel should come right off. You're going to flip the stroller onto its other side and then repeat the process. Again, it will slide out and then pop right off. And if you haven't already, the next thing you want to do is pull down the bar that attaches to the bicycle. So basically all you're going to do is, on the right side there will be a pin where it's extended. Unhook that and then pull that out. The bar should just pull down and then stick the pin back in the bottom hole, and that will lock it in place for safe storage underneath of the stroller. You will want to take your wheels, your cover off, and all of that, and then set it in that child's seat. And after that, you are going to remove the locking pins on the top right and left side. Once you've done that, you will see that it leaves 2 empty holes where you can easily pop those bars off. Next, you're going to lift those bars up and then push them into the middle. You're going to want to push them back towards the back and to the bottom as far down as you can go, and then take the back handlebar and pull it straight forward. It will compress down. If there's anything in the way, you might just have to wiggle it a little bit, but it should fold pretty compactly. Once you have it folded compactly, you're going to find the clips that were on the bottom front of the stroller. It's connected to the cover that's attached to the bottom near the front wheel. And you're just going to wrap those around the handlebar, which is the back crossbar, and then snap them in place. And that will keep your stroller folded up. Also, if you want to remove the handlebar for more compact storage, you can. You just push the trigger buttons on the right and left side and then slide it right out. Friends, is how to disassemble or fold down the Allen Sports Child Trailer and Stroller 2-seat Deluxe. This thing is a pain in the butt to fold down, and I am not going to do it every single time we have to go for a run, which is the main reason we're not keeping this stroller. So if you have any questions about it, please comment down below. I'd love to answer them. I have several videos on this stroller, including how to attach it to your bike, how to assemble it, and also a first impressions and a review video. So if you would like to see those, check the description box down below. If you are new, thank you so much for coming by. Please hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every week on stroller tutorials, toy reviews, and baby content and children activities. So if you would like that, then stick around. If you're returning, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.